Yes. Now we start the types of the reaction. Types of the reaction which contains the different types, that is the combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement, double displacement, and redox reaction. The combination reaction. These types of reaction occur when two reactants combine to form one or more product. This type of reaction occurs when two reactants combine to form one or more product. For example, calcium oxide, if we react with the water or put in the, it form the calcium hydroxide. Carbon plus oxygen, that is carbon dioxide. They are generally exothermic reaction which involve evolution of the heat during the reaction. तो ये वो रिएक्शन है जिनमें हीट रिलीज होती है और कॉम्बिनेशन का मीनिंग है दो प्रोडक्ट मिलके एक प्रोडक्ट. That is the type of reaction. Calcium oxide plus water form the calcium hydroxide. Carbon dioxide plus water form the carbon dioxide. Carbon plus oxygen form the, mostly these are of combination type reactions, and these form the exothermic reaction. Here you can understand about the exothermic, the reactions in which heat is evolved. The reactions in which heat is evolved are known as exothermic reaction, and there are some reactions in which heat is absorbed. Heat is absorbed are known as endothermic reaction. So you can understand them one by one. Reactions in which heat is released along with the formation of the product are called exothermic reaction. Burning of natural gas and decomposition of vegetable matter into compost are also an example of exothermic reactions. Burning of natural gas and the decomposition of vegetable matter into compost are an example of exothermic reactions in which heat is released along with the formation of product are called exothermic reaction. The reaction in which heat is evolved. Then you can understand some another examples of combination reaction. As you know, what is the chemical formula of common salt? That is sodium chloride, NaCl. Sodium plus chlorine form the NaCl. Here you can see two sodium atom combined with the two chlorine atom and form the sodium chloride. General form A plus B form the compound AB. Element or compound, that may be A or maybe B, and form the next compound, that is the combined form, and that is combination reaction. Decomposition reaction, the type of reaction in which a single reactant break down to give simpler products are called decomposition reaction. For example, water is break down into hydrogen and oxygen. Here you must know that in water there are two molecules of hydrogen and one molecule of oxygen. When a decomposition reaction is carried out by heating, it is known as thermal decomposition reaction. If it is carried out in the presence of water, for example, if we want to break the water, that is by the process of electrolysis. Thermal decomposition and electrolysis, electrolytic decomposition, and that is the electrolysis. Take a plastic mug, drill two holes at its base and fit the rubber stopper in these holes. Insert carbon electrode in these rubber stoppers. This is also activity in your NCERT book. Connect these electrodes to a 6-volt battery, for example a cell, as they have shown it, not with the light. Fill the mug with water such that the electrodes are immersed. उसमें अच्छी तरह डूब जानी चाहिए, immerse हो जानी चाहिए. Add a few drops of dilute sulfuric acid to the water. What is the function of here the dilute sulfuric acid? It acts as electrolyte. It acts as electrolyte which helps in the passage of current. Take two test tubes filled with the water and invert them over the two carbon electrodes. Switch on the current and leave the apparatus undisturbed for some time. You will observe the formation of bubbles at both the electrode. These bubbles displace water in the test tube. We will see hydrogen at the cathode and oxygen at the anode. So you must here understand that at cathode, hydrogen is formed because cathode is negative and hydrogen H is positive ion. and oxygen at anode because oxygen is negative and anode is positive. Oxygen is double of hydrogen in the terms of volume. You must understand that oxygen का amount double होगा and then the hydrogen. The amount of oxygen is double of hydrogen in terms of volume. So here, as the molecular weight of the oxygen is more. Decomposition reaction, water, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen molecule is formed. General form AB compound and it break down to 2 or more elements or compound. That is very simple way, as you can understand the screen or see the screen I like that of a board. And here we have written already the things on this. There are some another examples of decomposition reaction. Hydrogen peroxide, it breaks down to water and oxygen. Electrolysis of water, hydrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen triiodide, nitrogen and iodine, and general form AB is break down to A plus B. These are the some examples of the decomposition reactions. And then another is the displacement reaction. As you know, there are some metals which are more reactive and there are some metals which are less reactive. The more reactive metals are sodium, potassium, etc. The reaction in which a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its solution is known as displacement reaction. There are of two types, single displacement and double displacement reaction. Single and double displacement reaction here shown. For example, if magnesium ribbon is put in the copper sulfate reaction, as you know, the color of the copper sulfate solution is blue. If we put the magnesium ribbon in, after some time, the color of blue color of the copper sulfate solution is fade, and it formed the magnesium sulfate and copper because magnesium is more reactive than copper. Therefore, it displaces the copper and change into magnesium sulfate. After that, you can understand the double displacement, calcium carbonate plus hydrogen chloride. It forms the calcium chloride and carbonic acid. CaCO3 plus 2HCl is equal to calcium chloride plus H2CO3 is carbonic. General formula AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC या CB आप लिख सकते हैं. Single displacement reaction, lead chloride plus potassium iodide. It forms potassium chloride and lead iodide. It forms the potassium chloride and lead iodide. Lead chloride plus potassium iodide, potassium chloride plus lead iodide. These are the single displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction, the reaction in which there is an exchange of ions between the reactant and product is called double displacement reaction. These reactions are also called precipitation reaction. Here I want to clear what is precipitation. A solid substance formed when we add or mix the two solutions. When a solid substance formed when we mix the two solutions is known as precipitation. And double displacement reactions are also called precipitation reaction as an insoluble substance is formed, which is known as precipitate. Any reaction that produces precipitate can be called as precipitation reaction. For example, silver nitrate plus sodium chloride form a silver chloride and sodium nitrate. Double displacement reaction, here also another potassium carbonate, barium chloride. That is also very, very important question. It forms the potassium chloride and barium carbonate. Potassium chloride and barium carbonate. Then the reactivity of series. The elements have shown in the reactivity of series are potassium is the first, that is the most reactive element. Potassium, after that sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, carbon, zinc, iron, stannous, and then hydrogen. And below the hydrogen are least reactive, and least reactive is the platinum. Least reactive element is platinum and most reactive is potassium. Potassium and sodium are metal which can be cut with the knife. These are not so much solid like that of the copper, iron, etc. Here the platinum and gold are least reactives. After that, the redox reactions. The reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously are known as redox reaction. If a substance gains oxygen during a reaction, it is said to be oxidized. If a substance gains oxygen during a reaction, it is said to be oxidized. If substance loses oxygen during a reaction it is said to be reduced. If one reactant gets oxidized while the other gets reduced, अगर मान लो कोई भी रिएक्शन है उसमें एक ऑक्सीडाइज हो रहा है तो दूसरा रिड्यूस होगा. During a reaction, such reaction are called oxidation reduction reaction or the redox. If a substance gain oxygen or lose hydrogen during a reaction, it is oxidized. If a substance lose oxygen or gain hydrogen during it is reduced. Here the electron concept is also shown. Electron donor. If a substance is electron losing, then it is oxidized. Or if a substance electron gaining, it is reduced. These are the some types of the reactions I want to tell you. The oxidation and reduction reactions.